Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to record the iPhone or iPad screen. To record the screen, you don't need any third-party application. You don't need to download or install any other application on your iPhone or iPad. This feature can be found within iOS itself. You can simply access the control center and tap on this circle icon. That icon would be in gray color. It is in red now because I am recording the screen. By default, you will not find this icon, this option here. You will have to enable it. To enable this option, you need to go to the settings, tap on the control center option, and then tap on the customize controls. And screen recording option would be here along with the other option with plus sign, plus green sign. You need to tap on this screen recording option to add here under the include option. For example, if I remove the camera from here, it's removed and camera would be here down here. Now click on this camera option to add the camera. In the same way, the screen recording option would not be here. You will have to tap on the green plus icon to add the screen recording option here. Once added, you can access the control center and the screen recording option would be there. You can simply tap on this circle icon. The timer will start 3, 2, 1 and then recording will start. It will start recording the screen. One more thing, the screen will be recorded along with the sound that is being played within the iPhone or iPad. If you don't want to record that sound and instead you want to record the microphone sound, you will have to tap and hold this circle icon, the recording option. Once you hold, you will see the mic option that would be off by default.